Welcome, everyone. Today we are answering a big question. What is vibe coding? This is an exciting new way to build software using AI, and you don't need any prior coding experience to start learning. Here is our agenda. We'll start with the definition of vibe coding, explore how it works, look at the key tools, and see real-world examples. Finally, we'll cover how to get started on your first project. Vibe coding is the practice of building software by describing what you want in plain English. The AI reads your words and writes the code for you. You talk, and the AI codes. No memorizing syntax rules or needing a computer science degree is required. The process involves 4 steps. First, you describe your idea. Then, the AI reads and understands your instruction. Third, the AI writes real, working code instantly. Finally, you review and suggest changes. This cycle repeats until your software is exactly what you want. These are the key tools for vibe coding. AI assistants like ChatGPT understand your words. GitHub Copilot adds AI inside your code editor. Tools like Bolt and V0 can build full apps from one prompt. All are great starting point. Vibe coding offers many benefits. It is 10 times faster, removes traditional barriers, and brings your ideas to life instantly. Updates are easy, the cost is low, and the AI does the hard technical work, letting you focus on creativity. You can build real software today. Examples include a personal to-do app, a customer chatbot, a sales dashboard, a simple online store, or a booking calendar. The green text shows the exact natural language prompts used to build them. Traditional coding requires learning syntax for years and dealing with complex errors alone. Vibe coding lets you start in minutes, type one sentence, and have AI fix the errors. It's fast, low cost, and anyone can build software. For success, remember these tips. Be specific and include detail in your requests. Start small, building one feature at a time. Ask follow-up questions to refine the AI's work and test often. Also, use real-world examples in your prompts for context. To get started now, first go to claude.ai or chatgpt.com and sign up. Then, type a simple prompt like, "Build me a simple quiz app." Finally, read the result and ask the AI to change anything you want to improve. Your idea is already good enough. Go build something.